Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I am here with hashtag Artisan Journal Prompts 2024, hosted by My Life with Patti. God, its skin is so thick. I like when I see thick books. I mean, that one, look at, this is my smash book this year. I got going on, look how thick that's getting. So, this week's prompt was music. And I didn't know what I was going to do. And yesterday it was raining and storming here in Wisconsin off and on all day. So I felt like coloring. So I found me a couple coloring pages of Google. And here they are. So I did just some little coloring. And then I did some doodling, little dots throughout. I got music on this side. And I found this pretty guitar and piano keys and music notes. Oh, excuse me. So that is week 21, and it is music. So there we go, and there we go. Please go check out everybody else's that they come up with. I love doing these. I have got a few more pages in this one, and I'll have to start my second one for the rest of the year. I'll have 2 books. So, thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.